Good morning children. In today's video we will continue and try to finish all string manipulations functions. This is Sandeep Kundu. Let's begin. Replace. This function is used to replace a character by another character or to replace a string by another string at all its occurrence. See the examples. String variables, this is the syntax. String variables equals to string variable dot replace old character first and comma new character. Have the examples first. See example 1, string s equals to computer. String s1 equals to, I have written s dot replace, this is old character, that means existing character, o comma within the single quotes x. The functions replace all the character where it is exist o, it will be replaced by x. So output will be cx, that means instead of o it will be replaced by x. Next, string s equals to, here I have written one syntax, that means whole strings. So here whole strings will be a change. India is a powerful country. In its s1, s dot replace America comma India. So it is again old strings and this is new string. So in place of India it will be replaced with America. So in s1 variable America is a powerful country. Here whole string will replaced. Now next is concat. Concat means joining. Since in MS Excel you learn concat, the meaning of concat. The functions is used to join two strings together. Let's see the examples. In a string x equals to computer, string y equals to application, string z equals to s dot concat y. Here both string x and y will be joined together. Hence z written in computer application. That means in x it exists computer, in y applications. So it will join. In Java language also support plus symbol to join together both the strings. Let's have the example. String z equals to x plus y, hence also both string x and y will be joined together. Next is equals. This function is used to compare two strings together to check whether they are identical or not. It written boolean type. Let's see the examples. String x equals to computer, string y equals to science. It written boolean when both the strings are identical. On that case it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So boolean z equals to x dot equals y. Here z will return false. That means computer and science both are not identical. These are the two different words. The ASCII value of x is different, the ASCII value of science is different. So it will return false. Next is another example. String s equals to computer, string y equals to, in small letter I have written computer. In this snippet I have written if x dot equals y, system dot out dot println same, else system dot out dot println not same. In given snippet it will display not same because it is written in capital letter, it is stored in small letter. So I think it is clear these functions equals. Next is equal ignore case. This function is used to compare two strings by ignoring the case if the case is changed. Let's have the example. Examples 1, string s equals to, again I have stored in small letter, in string y I have stored the same word in capital letter. I am writing over here z equals to equals ignore I capital case c capital. This must be noted down and remember y. Hence z written true. Since both the word is similar, whether it is uppercase or lowercase, it will not check. Next see the examples. Again in x variable I am storing capital letter, all the capital letter, this word computer, y in small letter. If y x dot equals ignore case, y system.out.println same, else system.out.println not same. So given snippet will display same, since I am checking along with equals ignore case. So this is the end. This all the string value in string functions. Keep it, remember, and go through. Thank you for watching this video.